Hey guys, I'm super excited to try out this Bronc. It's got a Swiss motor, you know we like that, and adjustable strokes. So let's check it out right here on the Floaty channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do it. Alright guys, so this is a $450 machine and you can get 15% off with code FLOATY. Just use that link in the description below. Alright, let's open up the X1. Stickers galore. Wanty. There it is. The green machine. There's a couple green machines. This is the bright green one. Checking out the strokes right here. 2.6, 2.9, 3.2, 3.5, 3.8, and 4. So that is your range. We have, of course, the versatility of the RCA connection, which we appreciate. And some accessories. Boom. Very helpful. These types of lithium-ion batteries that you can recharge. We like those. They're pretty available in most places, drugstores and whatnot. So it comes with 2 batteries. We have one on deck and one in the machine. So the weight of the machine is amazing. It's a nice heavy machine. I like that. It definitely is weighted at the tip, and the grip is a nice large size. I really do like how it bows out at the end, and I can get my hand around it. It feels comfortable. It even has this groove kind of in this section here for my thumb, which actually meets up pretty well. Of course, we're going to cover all that, but it is very nice to actually be able to hold it without a grip on and feel like you have a good control of it, so like you're not going to drop it. These things get slippery at times and you don't always have a grip on it, so it's nice to actually be able to hold it and feel like it's secure in your hand. So I do like that. Good job. All right, let's turn this battery on. It is right away asking us questions here. It says jump start on, off. We're just gonna keep it off for now, I guess. And then it goes into the voltage there. Nice interface here, pretty wide font, so you can see it well, which is nice. You can see the battery level, and the voltage is in 0.5 increments. Taking a look back at the manual here, just checking things out. Here we go. Voltage setup, voltage regulation, amplitude, voltage 0.1. Looks like, kind of makes it seem like you can change it here, because they have 0.1 and then they have 0.5. How do you change it? All right, so right away we see the menu, and with the help of the manual, we were able to figure out how to control things. So if you basically hold down the power button, you're going to cycle through the menu, and that's going to take you through some things that you might want to see first, specifically the increments of voltage and the jump start there. Display mode, amps versus volts. Lot of versatility on this thing. Voltage setup here, so this is the one I wanted to see. We're at 0.5, we can change that to 0.1. All right, and now when we change it, it's going 0.1 increments, so that's nice. So it was set at 0.5 before, just coming in, but you can set it down if you go through the menu settings, so make sure you do that. These two settings here, whether you want to time during a sustain or run only, so it's nice to have all that versatility. All right, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, we also have this. What in the world is this? It says sexy. What's this one do? Here, sexy 9 volts. Oh, I see. They decided to use the word sexy. Am I crazy or does that say sexy? Sexy is what it says. I do believe those are the presets, S, E, X, and Y. Preset voltage, yeah. S gear versus E gear. X and Y. Yeah. It's just all that you get 4. They call it gears. It's cute. Sexy gears. So silly. All right, we're going to cover the X1. I have some Scotch tape. I have a floaty grip, and I have, of course, my covers. Since it's an adjustable stroke, we are going to remove the grip before we put on the pen bag. Okay, then we're going to just pull this all the way up to the top. And fold the sides down. And just put that away from the screen. All right, we're going to put this grip back on. Here's our floaty grip. All right, there's a floaty grip on the X1 and it's looking good. All right, so we have a piece of TrueSkin, which I got on Amazon. I'm very curious about how it works. This is my first time tattooing on TrueSkin. And I put a stencil on here, as you can see, some AI art that I made in Midjourney. I'm using a 3-round liner and a 5-round liner. I might need the 10 gauge as well, so I have 10 gauge 3-round liner, and here is my X1. And what else? Using dynamic black ink, and we have these fun Bronc cups here. We're using these little cups for our water. We ended up using the softer side of the silicone. The TrueSkin comes with 2 sides, the rough side and the smoother side. I had a much easier time getting this smaller design on the smooth side, although the other side is great too. I just think if you're going to put a stencil on that side, you may have more success if it's a larger design, because it doesn't have as much contact points with the silicone. It's a little tricky. All right, this silicone though, a lot of surface area, worked really well. We got this design on here, and then I actually dried it with a blow dryer, and then I let it sit. So now it's been sitting for a while, and definitely over 24 hours. So we're going to try tattooing it, and that's what's going on. This is the 5-round liner. First, I'm using a police cartridge. All right, to start, I am between the 3.8 and the 3.5, so right around 3.6-ish. I am at 7.5 volts. All right, I'm at 8, maxed out at 4 for stroke. Try that. Seems like that's getting in there nicely. So we put some of these lighter lines in. Let's switch it over to something bigger. Let's see how this Bronc X1 handles a 9-round liner. For the voltage, I'm at 8 volts and 4mm stroke. This is the 9-round liner. I just want to try putting in some bigger lines. It's definitely harder to get those larger rounds in the true skin, so I might have to go up a little bit here. Okay, it's getting better now. You definitely have to slow down and just kind of ramp up your voltage, but lower your hit probably here. All right, so let's keep trying this out. All right, that completes our demo of the X1 on the silicone. We did this demo on TrueSkin, which you can find at Amazon. Please use the link in the description below for that. So this machine is awesome. It's working absolutely fabulously. You need to get it. It's 15% off if you use our link in the description below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more in the future. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Bye.